How to create read-only channel on Discord mobile. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a read-only channel on Discord using the mobile application. In order to do so, first of all, open your Discord application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Now here, navigate to the server where you would want to create the read-only channel. Or if you need to create a new channel, then simply tap on this plus icon at the left side and then from here tap on create my own option. Here select for me and my friends and here enter the name of the server. After that, if you want to upload a photo, you can simply tap on the plus icon at this interface and then upload a photo. And after that, tap on the create server button right here. Here, you will be presented with your Discord link. If you would like to share it to your friends, you can tap on this share link and share it to them. For now, I am tapping on the skip option at the top right. After doing that, you will be able to create the channel. Now, once after creating the channel, tap on the name at the top that says General. By doing so, here you will be able to see the settings of the gear icon. Simply tap on the settings icon and here, you will need to scroll to find the channel permission option. Once you locate it, tap on it. And here make sure the advanced view is selected. After that, tap on this everyone under the roles and here you'll be able to see the permission settings. Now you will need to disable permissions for send messages in threads and send text to speech messages. Scroll down and you'll be able to see these options under text channel permissions. Under the text channel permissions, here you'll be able to locate send messages. Tap on the red icon in order to disable. After that, it will get selected. Also, tap on the red icon next to the second option that says Send Messages in Threads. After doing that, now again scroll down and at the bottom here you'll be able to see Send Text-to-Speech Messages. Again, tap on the red icon at the right side and disable it. You may also scroll down and then tap on the red circled icon at the right side of this Send Voice Messages. Now this will prevent users from sending messages. After that, you can exit the settings to save your changes. And your channel should now be read-only for all the users except those with specific roles that you allow to send messages. And if users can still send messages after following these steps, then you can check if they have other roles that grant them permission to do so and adjust them accordingly. So by following these steps, you should be able to create a read-only channel on Discord mobile. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.